AI agents are making people thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part, you don't need coding skills or a huge investment. Want to know how you can do it too? Stay tuned, because today I'll show you the exact methods you can use to start making money with AI agents right now. AI is no longer just a tool. It's now a business partner. AI agents are automated bots that work 24/7, handling tasks, making decisions, and even generating revenue without human supervision. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways to make money using AI agents. Whether you're a beginner or a tech-savvy entrepreneur, this video will open your eyes to new income opportunities. So let's dive in. First of all, AI chatbots for businesses, customer support, and sales. Imagine running a business where you don't need to hire customer support agents. AI can handle it for you. Tools like ChatGPT, ManyChat, or Custom GPT allow you to create chatbots that answer customer queries, book appointments, and even close sales. You can sell chatbot development services to businesses, offer AI-powered customer support solutions on freelancing platforms, automate sales and customer engagement for e-commerce stores. Example, small businesses are paying freelancers $500, $2,000 to set up AI chatbots that handle customer inquiries. You can learn to set this up in a week and start selling your services. The second one is AI-powered content creation, YouTube, blogging, and social media. Content creation is exploding, and AI is making it 10x easier. AI agents can create YouTube scripts, generate blog posts, and even manage social media accounts. Here's how you can use AI for content creation and get paid. YouTube automation. Use AI tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, or 11 Labs to create faceless YouTube channels and earn from ads and sponsorships. Blogging with AI. Platforms like Jasper AI and Copy.ai can write SEO-friendly blog posts that generate passive income through ads and affiliate marketing. Social media management. AI agents can schedule posts, create captions, and engage with followers, allowing you to sell social media management services. Example, people are earning $1,000 per month just by managing AI-powered YouTube channels or blogs with automated content. Third one, AI agents for affiliate marketing and lead generation. AI is now a game changer for affiliate marketers. Instead of manually promoting products, you can use AI agents to automate lead generation, email marketing, and ad campaigns. AI-powered chatbots can guide users through an affiliate funnel, increasing conversion rates. Automated email sequences using AI tools like ChatGPT and MailChimp can send personalized offers to thousands of people. AI for ad optimization, Facebook and Google Ads can analyze performance and improve ROI. Example, marketers using AI-powered lead generation tools are making $10,000 a month with minimal effort. Number 4 is selling AI automation services on Fiverr and Upwork. If you don't want to create your own business, you can still make money by selling AI automation services. Many businesses don't know how to use AI, and they will pay you to do it for them. Offer AI-powered marketing solutions. Automate email marketing, social media, and ad campaigns. Build custom AI chatbots for e-commerce stores and service-based businesses. Automate repetitive tasks, data entry, report generation, appointment scheduling. Example, freelancers on Upwork and Fiverr charge $500 per AI automation setup. Just landing 5 clients per month could make you over $2,500. And the last one, AI-powered personal finance and stock market bots. What if AI could make investment decisions for you? AI trading bots are now being used to predict stock trends, automate crypto trading, and manage personal finances. Use AI bots like Trade Ideas and CryptoHopper to automate stock and crypto trading. Offer AI-powered financial planning services using robo-advisors. Create a subscription-based AI trading signal service and sell it to investors. Example, AI trading bots are helping traders earn passive income while they sleep. Some bots can generate $505,000 per month with the right strategies. AI agents are the future of making money online. Whether you want to create AI-powered content, automate businesses, or trade using AI, the opportunities are endless. Now, it's your turn. Comment below which AI money-making method excites you the most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI business tips. See you in the next video.